Good morning, students. In this session, we will discuss rest of the beaks of birds. Students, let us start with sifting beak. The duck has a flat and broad beak, which has small holes on both sides. It digs up the food along with the mud from the base of the pond or lake. Its beak pushes out the mud and water from the holes, leaving the food behind. Its beak thus helps it to shift food from mud and water. The next is sticky beak. A swallow has a small, broad and sticky beak. The beak is sticky from inside. This helps the swallow to catch flies while flying. Students, in this session, we have completed types of beaks in birds. In the next session, we will study about feet and claws in birds. Till then, take care. Goodbye.